Have you ever paused to consider why humans, throughout history, have always gravitated towards forming tribes? Why, despite our individualistic tendencies, we still find solace and strength in collective identity. Today, we delve into the fascinating concept of the tribe and unravel its significance in our lives. A tribe, in its most basic form, is a social division in a traditional society consisting of families or communities linked by social, economic, religious, or blood ties. But in the modern context, a tribe is more than just a social structure. It's a group of people who share common interests, values, and passions. They are the people you turn to when you need support, guidance, and motivation. Tribes offer us myriad benefits. They provide us with a sense of belonging, a crucial aspect of human psychology. We are wired to seek connections, to share experiences, to feel understood and accepted. In a tribe, we find these connections. We find people who resonate with our thoughts, who inspire us, and who challenge us to grow. The most compelling reason to be part of a tribe is the power it holds in driving change. A tribe can amplify our voices, magnify our impact, and catalyze change faster than we ever could alone. It's in a tribe that one person's passion becomes a collective mission. A single idea turns into a movement, and small ripples create waves of change. However, like all good things, tribes too come with their set of challenges. They can sometimes foster groupthink, stifling individual creativity and innovation. There's a risk of losing oneself in the collective identity, of suppressing one's unique perspective to fit in. But these challenges can be overcome by fostering a culture of openness and respect within the tribe, by honoring diversity of thought, and by encouraging individual expression. To sum it up, tribes are powerful. They offer us a sense of belonging. They fuel our growth, they amplify our impact, and they drive change. The challenges they pose are not insurmountable, and with the right approach, they can be turned into opportunities for further growth and enrichment. The importance of having a tribe cannot be overstated. It's in tribes that we find support and inspiration. It's through tribes that we create lasting change, and it's with tribes that we journey towards our goals. So find your tribe, nurture it, value it, and together create waves of positive impact. After all, as the old African proverb goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.